Hey guys, it's Dan here, and what I'm going to be cooking today is a grilled cheese sandwich. But it's not just any grilled cheese sandwich. This is not your kid's grilled cheese sandwich. Come along with me, I'm getting ready to get everything prepped up. See what I mean? One of my favorite grilled cheese sandwiches. Doubt if your little kids love it, but hopefully you will. Alright guys, let's get started with a few of the ingredients that's going on here. Like I said, this is a grilled cheese. So what I've already done is I have grated some Parmesan cheese, some Romano cheese, and some Asiago cheese. And I just put it in this little bowl here. I have no idea how much. I just used a little bit of each block. You be the judge of how much cheese you want on your sandwich. Got me a head of cauliflower right here, fresh from the store. I'm going to be chopping some of that up. Trust me, like I said, this is not your kids' grilled cheese, but it's going to be good. And right here is some good fresh parsley and a real nice loaf of dense Italian bread. But every sandwich needs a good sauce. So I will show you how I'm going to do the sauce. I won't bore you with chopping stuff up. You all know how to chop things up. But I just put some mayonnaise in here. And of course I make a mess. But it wouldn't be me cooking if I didn't make a mess. And then some good old sriracha. And this sriracha is actually made by Texas Pete. Texas Pete, which is made in the Carolinas, and they're making Chinese sriracha. But you just do that, whip it together. I won't bore you with that either. I'll get back to you when I get to cooking. By the way, if you guys like this cutting board, that cutting board came from D.A. Berry Outdoors. David has a great channel over there. I'll leave a link down below for his channel. He does some real good craft stuff. He does some real good cooking. I don't have it out here right now, but his wife custom made a tumbler also for me, a drink tumbler. They are two talented people. Make some great stuff. This right here, you got to go check out his channel. Great work. Well, I'll be back with you here in just a few minutes. I don't know, did I show you the Italian bread or not? But I'll get it sliced up and we'll get to cooking. Alright, so the first thing I've got to do is take care of this broccoli. Or cauliflower, my bad. I can't even tell my vegetables apart. There's just a little bit of olive oil. Got me a nice chunk I cut out of that head. Gonna put it in there, turn the heat up just a tiny bit. Then I got myself some sea salt. I'm gonna put a little bit of olive oil on this top too. Just put it, oh shoot. That'll still be alright. We'll dust a little bit of that off. Flip that over, heck. No big deal, guys. It's sea salt, so it's not as strong as regular salt. And we're going to cook this for a little bit. But I'm going to get this frying up right here, and then I'll be back with you with my next step. Alright, I got this to where it's nice and brown on both sides. I'm going to cut the florets off around there and chop them up for the sandwich. I just wanted to give it a good roasted flavor. So let me pull this off. I'm going to wipe my pan out and I'll be right back with my next step. Alright, now the next step is to get the bread going. Let me get some butter melting in here. Now, I've already buttered this side of each piece of bread. So we're just going to toast it up a little bit. And then I'll flip them over. And the side that's down now is actually going to be the inside of the sandwich. So let me get these toasted a little bit. And I'll be right back with you here in just a few minutes. Alright, let's get to checking on this. since this is my sandwich, I'll just use my hands. All right, that's browning up pretty nicely. Since that's the inside of the sandwich, I don't need it super brown. Let me throw some more butter in this pan. Get it melting. Never have too much butter for grilled cheese. All right, and we're just gonna flip this bread over. Oh, maybe I should use a spatula. That is starting to get a little warm. All right, now it's time to start building the sandwich. All right, here's my mayo and sriracha. And we're just gonna put a spoonful. Make sure we get everything good and covered. And then another good spoonful. All right, now it's time to start building this sandwich. All right. So, like I said, this is Parmesan, Asiago, and some Romano, I believe is what I shredded. Let's get us a little bit of cheese going right here. Alrighty. Let's get us some of this roasted cauliflower on here. And if you've never roasted cauliflower before, you're missing out. It is very good. I mean, I realize I do use olive oil and stuff, so it's probably not the healthiest way to do it. But man, it is delicious. All right. Now, just a pinch of this parsley needs to go on here. And then we are going to lock everything together by putting a healthy amount of cheese back on the top. And then here we go with the love and magic. Get my spatula, and we're just going to press this down. And we are going to cook this and keep flipping it until both sides are golden brown. And this is what you call a grilled cheese. I'll be back with the finished product here in just a few minutes. Alright, right here's the finished product, all nice and golden brown. The cheese is all melted and everything. So let me get off of here, or get this off of here. I'll cut it open for you. I'll show you what it looks like inside, and then we'll do a taste test. If you guys enjoy the videos I put out, please hit the like button. Subscribe to my channel. I try to put a video out every Wednesday or every other Wednesday, just depending upon how my schedule is. I really enjoy outdoor cooking. Comment on my stuff. I really enjoy everybody's comments. I try to respond to them in a timely manner at all possible. But I appreciate each and every one of you watching this. I'll be right back. Alright guys, I got this cut open. Let me see if I can show you what this center looks like. That is just beautiful. I mean, I think you guys will enjoy this. You can try any other concoction you like, any other type of cheese, sauce, everything else. But I'll be back with a taste test here in just a minute. Guys, this turned out beautiful. It's how I like my grilled cheese. Hopefully you guys like yours a similar way. If not, thank you very much for watching the video. Alright guys, take a look at this. Beautiful sandwich on a beautiful cutting board. Once again, David, thank you very much for this cutting board. It is beautiful. I love it. I'm trying to take best care I can of it, but I do use it a lot. So let's get into this sandwich. Let me show you that center right there. You can see the pieces of the roasted cauliflower. You can see the parsley. I mean, you got to try this at least once. Great, great sandwich. I love the sriracha and mayo sauce. Thing I like about making my own is I like my stuff a little hotter than other people, so I mix mine just a hair hotter. For the wife and boy, I mix up another batch, not quite as hot. Thank you guys for watching once again. I hope you all have a blessed day during these trying times we're having right now. I mentioned in my last video that I was very thankful that I'd hit 800 subscribers. Well, and I told you I was going to have something special coming up. I am working on that. I do know part of my giveaway that I'm going to do is going to be Uncle Steve's Shake, and I'll leave a link down below for him. He even said he'd make some custom labels for me to do the giveaway. I haven't decided everything else that's going to be in it. I know there's going to be a cast iron skillet in it. And some other odds and ends. I'll probably throw some other seasonings that I really enjoy that you see me cook with. But stay tuned. I would say by the end of the summer I'll have everything set up and I'll be doing a giveaway, because I truly, with all my heart, appreciate each and every one of you. Y'all have a blessed day.